everyone, I'm Michelle, and this is Erin, and this is Megan, and we're the program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we're here to tell you about our upcoming career exploration events.
Now, I don't know about you, but nothing says New Year like some new skills boot camps. These programs are 100% hands-on, so if you want to apply, we have a whole bunch coming at you on the screen, so check out the website for more details.
In February, we'll feature our Spotlight on Careers Exploring Public Services. On Tuesday, February 15th, we will host our Spotlight on Education Career Pathways panel, where we will have professionals from various areas of the education sector sharing their career journeys with you. So be sure to register in advance for this career panel. And if you want to learn more about careers in public service, be sure to check out our website where we have lots of resources available for you, including our Spotlight on Careers panels from last year, where we spoke with professionals from emergency services such as the RCMP, police, fire, paramedic, and STARS Air Ambulance.
And with a new semester or quad starting up, you may start thinking a few months ahead to summer, and some of you might be thinking about getting a job. If you're thinking about that and want to get ready, be sure to check out our employability site on contact360.ca, where you can get a whole bunch of resources to get you ready for that job search. Teachers, we offer some workshops in this field, and students, pay attention in the coming months because we're going to offer a few online workshops that go along with our summer youth internship program.
And Erin just talked about getting ready for that summer job, so maybe you're looking for some training. So we're partnering with Sask Poly to offer some free warehouse certifications. So contact Jill or Michelle on your screen to sign up today.
And once you've got that summer job, you're going to want to know how to manage your money. So you got to be sure to check out the My Money, My Future Challenge, where you can win up to $10,000. If you have a financial literacy teacher in your school, talk to the teacher about it, or you can email us to get started. You should register right away and get on this project right away to create something great so you can win that 10 grand. It'd be awesome if you could bring this home to Saskatchewan.
And to stay up to date with all things SIEC, be sure to follow us on our socials and check out our website and our YouTube channel to view our past resources and events.
We're looking forward to working with you.